Dark hour, unveiled. What does it mean? Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, dark hour. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it? Stick around as we explore this evocative phrase. First things first. The words, dark and hour, have straightforward meanings. Dark refers to the absence of light, and hour is a measure of time, about 60 minutes. So, a dark hour would literally mean an hour with no light. Now, let's delve into the more interesting and widely used figurative meaning. In literature and everyday speech, a dark hour often refers to a difficult or trying time in someone's life. It could be a moment of sadness, doubt, or despair. For instance, if someone says, "During my dark hour, my friends were there for me," it means that when they were going through a challenging period, their friends supported them. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it's often associated with literature and historical writings. Many authors have used the concept of a dark hour to symbolize moments of crisis or periods of uncertainty. The imagery of darkness usually contrasts with themes of hope or dawn, suggesting that even in the darkest times, there is potential for positive change. To help you grasp it even better, let's see the phrase in action. 1. The community came together during the city's dark hour to provide relief and support. 2. She felt alone during her dark hour, but eventually, things started to look up. 3. Every hero faces a dark hour when they must decide to stand or fall. And there we have it. The phrase, dark hour, serves as a powerful metaphor for challenging times, but it's also a reminder that these moments are temporary. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this expression. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!